Yo, this album is off the hinges. I better give Urban a call, let him know what's up.
Hello?
Yo, Urban, what's up, man? What's happening?
Yo, what's up? Who's this, man?
It's Kirk, man. This is Kirk. We're finishing up the last mix, man.
Oh, what's going on, man?
Oh, man, it's fat. That last song, Make Your Move, is in there. That's the one, right?
Yo, you can't forget about Capiche.
Oh, man, that's right. Hold on, let me check it out. Let me find it. Got it right here, my man.
All right, man, let me peep it out. Let me peep it, kid.
I blaze it.
All right.
Understand my hip-hop state of mind. You stereotype me and talk unkind. Well, fine, you smirk at my baggy clothes and pants and wonder why I tag, call board, and break dance. But by any chance, you never think what it'd be like to stand on my shell toes? Educate yourself before you throw blows. I rock shows and recite flows. I don't read cosmopolitan. Philadelphia was my metropolitan. Those city streets I can't forget. They be my roots, but some of y'all consider me a threat. As I unleash these lyrical nutrients piece by piece, y'all don't understand, capiche? Beat the cultures I unite with this track. Tune on savage why I carry pilot markers and Krylon cans and backpacks. I react, cause you know I'm strapped. I got my tips in my mask, but never mind that. Plus I got wax, or should I say vinyl, records and b-boy floors. I take on tours and make my battles final. You don't understand, hip-hop my form of expression. Be my way of life, read between the